Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy, his feet are too big for his bed.
Here is the InstaBox D50 from Radio Oddity. It's a mini speaker and it plays music. It can also be a Bluetooth device and attached to your phone. It also has the ability to connect to a PC through a USB port, and you can play music through that. You can also use the mini disc slot here, the SD card slot, mini SD card, to load music onto it. You can also use an external speaker or a speaker cable to connect it to a device that plays music, such as an Android or iPod or iPhone. But Bluetooth would probably be easier since there's no cable. It has a subwoofer, and it also has a reset button and an LED reset buttons on top. So the auxiliary port is how you would connect like a computer to play through it, or an Android phone or Android tablet. The front controls are pretty easy. As you can see, I have a full charge, and it's showing the time of 19:35. And this big knob here is the volume knob.
Kitty Kicks rolling with you, man, and you're gonna be feeling just fine when you get these tickets to
and then we have a power button.
Circle City Classic at
Turn it off, turn it back on, and then it has what are called preset channels. And you push the next, or push mode to go back to the FM station.
Coming up, Beyonce.
And you can push these buttons here to go to the different channels.
Yes, it's tour. Located. Here's the deal. You might not.
And let's say you know there's a channel near this channel that you want to get to.
Because right
you
now
can push and hold. Go to the next channel.
To kick it away.
So those preset channels are actually loaded by you when you first start using the radio. And I'll walk through that in a minute. On a remote control. And the remote control comes with a battery. And for instance, you can push this M button for mode. And it'll switch to the different modes. There's the Bluetooth mode. And there's just a time mode. And then back to FM. You can also push this arrow over to go to the next channel, or go to the previous channel. And you also use the remote control to program the radio. So I'm going to go over the reset option in the back. When you push the reset option on the back, and you just do it by itself, you want to get something small enough to fit in there. The moment you push it, it shuts off. And that's just a basic reset. You turn the radio back on, the time's still set, and we go ahead and switch to the FM mode.
The new $5.
And all of our channels are still set. This might be used if you're playing an MP3 and the corrupt MP3 locks up your radio. You might need to do that soft reset. So a hard reset will take it back to factory defaults, and it's a real similar option. For a hard reset, you go back to the radio. Okay, so I'm going to push the reset in, then turn the power on, and then we're back to default to 0 time. So that's a master reset. You have to push that power button and hold the reset in.
Daddy, that's an E. This is a
and you go to mode, and you notice our frequencies are no longer set. So we need to program our frequencies in. So to program the frequencies, you want to push this button here and hold it, and it'll start going to the next channel. Now this channel is coming in pretty good. The next step is to go ahead and push and hold this button in here. This is the play pause button. So you push and hold that in, and it goes ahead and it goes to that frequency, and it sets it to P1, and then it goes to the next frequency and makes it P2. And it'll go through the entire band and program all the strong stations.
Check it out.
This saves you from having to do anything manually.
There are even safety concerns.
And now we're done. We're back at channel number 1. And that may take a few minutes for the radio to go through that process, but once it's done, all those things are set.
Alan says when he tried to play that piece at that tempo with the...
So now we'll go ahead and go back to clock mode. And we'll want to set the time mode. You push and hold the M button in, and it starts flashing the hour. And you use the volume to set the hour. So you turn the volume knob to set the hour, and right now it is 16:22. So we'll go ahead and scroll to 16:22. So we're at 16, so we'll go ahead and push the mode button again, and we'll go to 16:22. Push the mode button again. This is auto sleep. And now the time's set. So to set the alarm, you push and you hold in the play button, and then you can choose between alarm 1 and alarm 2. We'll go to alarm 1, and we'll push the play button again, and now alarm 1 is on. And then you push the mode button again, and now we can set it to 8 a.m. Push the mode button again, and we'll change it to 8:30. Push mode again, and now we can set the alarm clock 1 is back on to the position there, and we're done. I think you wait 10 seconds, and then it'll go back to normal. This radio's battery lasts an unbelievably long time for me. I use the radio on a daily basis when I'm doing dishes in the kitchen, and I do dishes for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. I hand wash my dishes, and I enjoy listening to the music while I do that. And this radio lasts for weeks before having to be charged.